Have you started noticing it? That quiet shift in your body where the stairs feel longer, your steps heavier, and lifting everyday things feels just a bit harder than before. You are not alone. For millions of seniors, this is the silent beginning of muscle loss after 60, a condition called sarcopenia. It does not come with a bang. It whispers, stealing strength little by little while we go on, unknowingly adapting to the discomfort. But what if I told you this decline is not your destiny? That nature itself offers a way forward, not through pills or harsh routines, but through something much simpler. Fruits. Yes, fruits that carry healing compounds, restore muscle strength, and help you move with grace once more. Let us begin with a fruit that many overlook: avocado. Creamy, rich, and far more powerful than it looks. Avocados are packed with healthy fats that calm inflammation, rebuild muscle cells, and restore inner strength. They also bring potassium and magnesium, two minerals your muscles depend on to move, contract, and recover. If your body feels stiff or unsteady, these minerals are part of the answer. Avocados also help regulate blood sugar, which supports stable energy throughout the day. Just half an avocado on toast or in a salad can quietly begin turning back the clock on fatigue and frailty. Now think about those mornings when your legs feel stiff, when getting out of bed feels like lifting lead. That is where Tart Cherry steps in. This bright red fruit is rich in compounds that ease joint pain, reduce soreness, and speed up recovery. A small glass of 100% tart cherry juice in the evening can help your body heal overnight, because tart cherries contain melatonin to improve sleep and anthocyanins to calm inflammation in the muscles you use all day. The result? Lighter legs, clearer mind, and strength that returns with each morning sunrise. Next comes a fruit filled with tiny seeds but enormous healing power. The pomegranate, often seen as a symbol of vitality. It does more than nourish. It actively protects aging muscle. Its antioxidants fight oxidative stress, one of the hidden culprits behind weakness and fatigue. But even more important, it boosts circulation. And when blood flow improves, your muscles receive more oxygen, more nutrients, and more fuel. That means you can walk farther, lift with ease, and feel more like yourself again. Whether you spoon fresh seeds or drink pure juice, pomegranate helps restore the strength that life once demanded from you. And then there are prunes, dried plums with a quiet power many do not realize. Beyond digestion, they support your bones, protect muscle tissue, and help your body grow new fibers. Prunes contain polyphenols and boron, which work together to trigger IGF-1, a natural hormone critical for rebuilding strength after 60. This is not just food, it is fuel for resilience. A small handful in the morning, or stirred into warm oatmeal, can become your daily act of repair. Not fleshy, not loud, but deeply effective. Finally, let us return to something familiar: the humble apple. You have probably eaten hundreds in your lifetime. But here is what most do not know. The power is in the peel. Apples contain eucholic acid, which research shows can slow down muscle loss and even encourage new growth. Alongside this is serretin, a potent antioxidant that energizes the tiny engines inside your muscle cells. The result: more stamina, less fatigue, and a steady strength that carries you through the day. Keep the peel on, take a mindful bite, and know that you are choosing energy, not just a snack. Now pause with me for a moment and imagine what would happen if you began adding these fruits, just one at a time, into your daily rhythm. Not a major change, not all at once, but one. Intentional choice each day. Your morning walk could feel easier, your grip more secure, your breath more steady before prayer. Because healing does not always arrive in a dramatic way. Sometimes it arrives through small, nourishing steps. And with each bite, you remind your body, I am still here, I am still strong, and I am not done yet. So if you are ready to take back what aging tried to dim, start here. One fruit, one choice, one day at a time. Strength returns, not through struggle, but through wisdom. If this message touched something inside you, type the word strength in the comments and subscribe to Elder Wisdom, where every video is crafted with care for your body, your spirit, and the beautiful journey ahead.